Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Crowstep Lodge, Kinross Road in Leslie. This is a beautifully presented 3-bedroom detached character property, really well presented, and you can see that behind me just there. You've got stunning landscape gardens as well as off-street parking at the rear. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer, and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, Crowstep Lodge, and straight away you can see just how beautifully presented this property is. Sitting in the sun, it is just perfect. You have all of this laid to lawn, fully enclosed landscape garden to the front. You have your borders with all your mature shrubs and plants, access round to the side. And then this is all of your property here. Absolutely stunning home. And as straight away as well, you can see the character that you are getting with this property. I'm really excited to show you this one, especially on a gorgeous day like today. But this is your property. And you can see you come through your iron gate straight into your garden to the front, and then, as I say, parking is at the rear. But let's head inside. So we enter the property into your entrance hallway, and straight away you can see the sun is shining in today. So we're going to start on our left in your main living room. This is a really generous sized family living room space. You've got ample room for all of your living room furniture. You can see you've got those high ceilings, the coving surrounding. You've got that gorgeous big window which is letting all this natural light flood into the room, and you can see that because we've got a beautiful day today. You've got that feature fireplace as well. But this is a great sized living room, and this gives you an idea of just how spacious this property is. And we have somebody just making themselves at home there, sitting in the sun. You can see it's prime spot in the sun. But this is your living room space. Then just across we have your bathroom. So contemporary modern bathroom. So you have your WC, your bath, there is shower overhead, and then wash hand basin in the corner just there. So that is your contemporary bathroom. And then we come further down your hallway. So this is your main bedroom. And just look at that, beautiful and bright and so spacious as well. So you've got that gorgeous bay window. We're not overlooked either, so this is great for your main bedroom because that is just your side garden. You can see the beautiful blue skies. But this is your main bedroom, and when you think that there is big furniture in here and you've still got ample floor space, just want to give you an idea of the size of this main room. And again, you've got your high ceilings and the coving surround. But isn't this just gorgeous bay window? Even just having a dressing table there to get ready would be perfect. So then we come back into your entrance hallway. But it's all the attention to detail. You've obviously got your chrome effect fixture and fittings, your quality doors with your glazed inlets. Then we come further along your hallway. Again, lovely high ceilings giving to that spacious feel. Now on our left, we do have your 3rd bedroom. Currently it is being utilised as a dining room space. So what's great is you can make it work for you and your family, whether it be a bedroom, whether it be a home office study, a playroom if you have young children, or obviously a dining room. And again, it's a great size, and you can see that because we have a big 6-seater dining table, and again, all of your furniture. And then it does have your access to the attic, and you have your kind of inlet shelved storage area. So great space, and again, lovely and bright, and that just gives you an outlook again to the garden at the side. So lovely and private. Then coming further along the hallway at the end here, we have your final bedroom. So again, generous size, you've got a double bed in here, all of your bedroom furniture, and still ample floor space. And you do have fitted double wardrobes just there. And again, just an outlook to the garden at the side, and you can see not overlooked and lovely and private. And then let me just give you a look back down your entrance hallway. Beautiful home, really well presented, and you can see that as we've gone throughout. But then we enter into your breakfast-in kitchen, and look at this modern, contemporary, stunning kitchen. This is, as I can imagine, the heart of the home, having that big breakfast-in island. Now, a lot of features to talk you through in here. So you have your patio doors giving you access to the garden at the rear. You have this feature island, perfect for breakfasting. And then obviously you have your further cabinet and worktop space that pans round. And I love the mosaic tiles. Beautiful feature. So you have your hob with extractor overhead. Ample cabinet and worktop space. It's a great size as well, really spacious when you consider that's 4 breakfasting stools around the island. Further storage underneath as well, so really have utilised all of the space to make it work for you. You have a dishwasher integrated in that cupboard, and then you have your integrated fridge and freezer, so integrated appliances, your double oven. And obviously you can see you still have space there for kitchen furniture. You've got downlighters as well, again making it lovely and bright. I absolutely love this kitchen. So as I say, you've got your patio doors that give you access, but you also do have side access just here. So we are going to head out to your garden. But let me give you one last look at this kitchen because I absolutely love it. Hopefully by now you're picturing yourself moving into this home and socialising with family and friends, because obviously you can see TV as well, so perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. But then you can, on a day like today, obviously we've got the sun shining, you can step out into your garden and you have this patio area here. There is plenty more garden to see, don't worry. But this is just a snippet. So you do have this area back here, so great for outdoor storage, or if you need a workshop or working from home, this does have light and power in here, so that is a great addition. But then this is your patio seating area, so you can just sit here in the sun. But then you do actually have all of this further garden space as well, so a brilliant sized garden space. You can see ample off-street parking, plenty of room for all your vehicles, and then you've got a large later lawn grassed area. You can see obviously there is space for a hot tub. Now that isn't staying, but it gives you an idea that there is space for a hot tub. Just a reminder, this is your patio doors from the kitchen, but this is your garden space. So as well, there is plenty of room to further develop if you wish, or you could build a big summer house out here. But this is just a brilliant sized garden, and you can see we're about 11 o'clock this morning and we are sitting in the sun. And then just for reference, this is what gives you access back round to the front of your property, so you do have this additional space down the side. But you can just see how immaculately presented this property is, really well cared and maintained for, and you can see that as we've gone throughout. You have again your wrought iron gates giving you access, but this is all of your garden space. Fully enclosed if you do have obviously young children or pets. So that is Crowstep Lodge. Let's do a recap. If you are looking for a character home, then Crowstep Lodge is for you. Beautifully presented, absolutely charming 3-bedroom detached home. You've seen it is absolutely stunning from standing in the landscape garden at the front with all those beautiful colours and mature shrubs and plants. Stepping inside, you're getting a really spacious and bright home, benefiting from 3 bedrooms, one of which is that really generous sized main bedroom, and the 3rd bedroom could easily be utilised as a further reception room, home office study, children's playroom. You then get to step foot into that really modern, high standard, contemporary breakfast and kitchen with all your integrated appliances, plus those patio doors that give you direct access out to this really generous sized, completely enclosed garden at the rear. This really is a beautiful home, immaculately presented with gorgeous character, while being situated in a really desirable location as it's close to all your local amenities. You have shops within Leslie, you have the doctor's surgery, you have a primary and nursery school. As well, you're only about 3 miles into Glenrothes where there's further amenities, commuting via Markinch train station. As well, you have Glenwood High School. As well, just the opposite direction, you can be about 11 miles and you're into Kinross, and about 27 miles to Perth. As well, great if you need to get onto the M90 for commuting to the bigger cities. So it's a really great location with everything on your doorstep, while benefiting from a gorgeous, beautifully presented character property. If you'd like to get further details, you can either click the link, message me directly, or feel free to call the team on 01 333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.